Okay, so I lied, right? I haven't finished the vlog. So right now I'm in Grand Via. This is where the subway. This is where I got off the subway. So I'm gonna show you the Casa Batlló. I know, like in my first vlog, I already showed it, but I didn't really go on this side. So now I'm gonna show you like the walk from this side to Casa Batlló. And look, there's so many people. Oh look, La Pedrera. Oh, that's a Casa Milla. So this is the Grand Via. Oh, they have Muji. Oh my gosh. I want to check out Muji because they might have my backpack shorts. I want to buy more. So I'm going to check it out. So I didn't find any backpack shorts at the Muji here. So maybe they'll have it like in the summer next year. So they do, I'm gonna buy more. Okay, let's continue with the walking tour. Now you'll see there's so many people. They're just walking up and down. Oh, here's Onitsuka Tiger, but they're not open. And look at their building, it looks cool. Oh, there's Tapa Tapa. I'm so thirsty. I want my lemon beer. Oh shit. Okay, we're getting close, I think. Yep, I see it. Do you see it? Do you see the Casa Batlló? Look at that. I mean, this is not Casa Batlló. Casa Batlló is that way, but look at this one. This one looks cool too. Wow. Look at that. It's magnificent. It looks stunning. Okay, I think I have better views right here. Look at that. Doesn't that look fabulous? It's very cool. I love that massive, like, what is that? Like a balcony turret thing that's sticking out. Wow. Okay, let's continue. Here's some more. There's Sephora. And here's another one. And another one. This whole block is just awesome. And then we get to Casa Batlló. So maybe I will go into Casa Batlló because, okay, so I was kind of a little disappointed at the Güell Palace because I thought it would be more of like Sagrada Familia, but it's not. It's like, it's just blah. So I think this is going to be like more colorful and more like the modern architecture. There it is. It looks so cool. Look at all the people. The line is still long. Look at that. So I went in. So they have a store. So it's free to go into the store. So look at that. It looks cool. Then look at these. Look at the chain. Chain. There's chains of foods. Wow. Chain. Look, lots of chains. Okay, these are cool. Look at that. It's like the houses. Oh, and there's that one too, right there. Wow, you can take them home. Cool. Oh, that's cool. I need a bottle opener. Look, that's so cool. Oh, and there's more. Look at these frames. Oh, this one's cool. So, like, you can buy it flat, and then you can like make it into like that, like a 3D puzzle, whatever. That's cool. Yeah, it's a 3D puzzle. I was right. Oh, this one is cool. It's a paper cut of the Casa Batlló, which is that one right there. And there's like the smaller one. Oh, look, these are cool. They look like they're like embossed or something. These are so cool. Wow. Look at that. So even though I didn't get to the Batlló house, at least I got to the store. Oh, they have calendars. Those look cool. Look at that. And I like how they have the lights, like pointing at them upwards. And there's more. Oh, look at these. That's cool. Then look at that. That's awesome. So these are cool. The glass mosaics. I think they're candle holders. Look at that. Wow. Look at the books. It shows you like all the Gaudí stuff. Gaudí design. So that's that. That was fun. And look, I can see myself. Okay, I think this is it. Or maybe not. I think I'm just going to the Casa Batlló. One more time. I wish I had a house that looks just like that. That'd be awesome.
Like, fuck you, smile for the picture, bro.
Okay, I think now's the chance to show this, that art stuff on the building right there. So yeah, I didn't end the vlog. What is that, like the third time I said that was the end of it, and it's still not. So I'm gonna stop doing that. So what do you think? What do you think of this thing? I don't even know what it's called. It says Museu Tapias. Okay, it's Museu Tapias. God, this street is really loud. Okay, so I'm gonna take a photo. Maybe a selfie. So there it is. What do you guys think?